Try to turn. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna be ready to grab her, bro. Because I think she's gonna try to turn out.
Get her closer to
Got it.
It's video on me, I think. That's fucking funny.
All right. Oh, let this guy just flip my face. Come on.